This is my personal digital business card, designed completely for free in Canva. When someone scans this QR code, my full contact details are saved directly to their phone in seconds. No paper card, no app needed, no printing costs. Just scan and done. I personally use this two ways. I keep it on my phone lock screen so anyone can scan it when I'm in a meeting, and I also printed it as a badge I wear around my neck at events. In this video, I'll show you how to build this exact design from scratch and how to create a free QR code that shares your contact details instantly. Okay, let's start from Canva homepage. Search for business card portrait. You'll see a large collection of ready-made templates, some marked with a crown icon, which means they're Canva Pro, and some completely free. I personally prefer portrait orientation for a digital business card because it feels more like a profile. It looks great on a phone screen and is easier to share digitally. Go to Create and select the business card portrait preset, 2 by 3.5 inches. That's the standard size. I'm going to design from scratch rather than using a template. This way you have full control over every element and you can sell it as an original template on Etsy without any restrictions. Start with the background. Click on the canvas and open the color picker. I'm using a deep navy blue. This color immediately communicates professionalism and authority. It's one of the most trusted colors in corporate branding worldwide, and it pairs beautifully with gold. Upload your professional photo. Select it and click Edit in the top bar, then Background Remover. Position your photo at the top of the card. The upper portion of a portrait business card is the natural place for the face. This creates an immediate personal connection with whoever receives your card. Here's a technique that separates a basic design from a premium one. Go to Apps and search for Image Blender. Open it, select your photo, and choose the Linear Blend option. Fade the bottom edge of your photo so it dissolves naturally into the navy background. See how that works? Instead of a sharp cut where the photo ends, it melts seamlessly into the design. This single step makes the entire card look like it was professionally designed in an agency. Look at the difference. Blended fade on the other. The blended version looks polished, intentional, and premium. This is one of Canva's most underused apps, and it's completely free. Now the decorative element. Go to Elements and search for half circle. Choose a clean arch shape and change the color to gold. Position it behind your photo at the top of the card. It frames your face beautifully and adds a premium architectural feel to the design. Add a subtle shadow element behind the photo for depth. Make sure you choose a free element, not a pro one, because I want to sell this design as a template on Etsy, and I don't want buyers to need a pro account just to use it. Check for the crown icon and avoid anything with it. So now your name. Go to Text and add a heading. Change the font to Brittany. This is a beautiful, free script font that feels personal and elegant at the same time. Change the color to gold to match the arch. Position it below your photo. Your name in a flowing gold script on a navy background. This is a combination that immediately reads as premium and confident. Below the name, add your job title. I'm using Open Sans, clean, modern, and completely free. Change the color to white and make it noticeably smaller than your name. This size contrast between the script name and the clean sans serif title creates perfect visual hierarchy. Now a small detail that makes a big difference. Search for a pattern in Elements. I'm using a grid pattern. Place it behind the entire design and reduce the transparency to around 17. This adds texture without competing with the other elements. It's the kind of professional touch that makes someone look at your card twice. Less is always more in premium design. This pattern is barely visible, but you can feel it. Now the QR code. Open your browser and go to QR Code Monkey, qrcode-monkey.com. This is completely free, no account needed, no subscription, no watermark. It's the best free QR code generator available, and it supports vCard, which is exactly what we need. This is the most powerful option for a business card because when someone scans it, their phone opens a contact card with all your information already filled in. They just tap Save, and you're permanently in their contacts. Fill in your details: name, phone number, company name, job title, email address, and website. Add as much or as little as you want to share. Now customize the QR code colors to match your card. Change the QR code color to white and the background to the same navy as your card design. Then click Create QR Code and download it as a PNG. High resolution, ready to use. Back in Canva, go to Uploads and upload your QR code PNG. Place it in the lower half of the card and center it. This is now the most functional element on the card. Everything above it is the brand, everything below it is the action. Make it large enough to scan easily. Add a gold frame around the QR code. Go to Elements, add a rectangle shape with no fill and a gold border. Resize it to sit just outside the QR code edges. This small gold frame connects the QR code visually to the rest of the design. It feels intentional rather than dropped in. The gold border also draws the eye to the QR code, which is exactly what you want. You need people to see it and scan it. Final design element, your logo at the bottom. Keep it small and centered. The logo completes the card without competing with anything above it. Let's test it. I'm scanning the QR code now, and look at that. All my contact information appears instantly on the other phone, everything pre-filled and ready to save. One tap, and I'm saved to their contacts forever. No typing, no spelling mistakes, no lost paper cards. To download and use your card, go to Share and Download. Choose PNG for the sharpest digital version to use on your phone screen. Choose PDF if you want to print it as a physical badge. Choose JPG if you need a smaller file size for sharing via email or WhatsApp. So if you want to sell this design as a template on Etsy or Gumroad, select Create Template Link. Copy that link. Your buyer receives an editable copy of the entire design in Canva. This is passive income from one design. If this video helped you, subscribe. Every week I post new Canva tutorials covering how to make real money from your designs through client work, templates, and digital products.